আজি our first destination was Dirang Monastery.
There's no need to rush, no need to chase. Let's take our time and find our place. Every whisper, every touch, I wanna feel it all, I wanna love you much. In the quiet moments, in the softest sighs, I see forever when I look in your eyes. Let me love you slowly, with all I have inside. Let me show you every feeling that I try to hide. With every heartbeat, with every breath we take, let me love you slowly, for our love's sake. No need for words, just let it unfold. Let me love you slowly, like a story told. We don't need to hurry, we don't need to fight. Let's savor every second, let's make it